You want to know how to make your money work for you, right? I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about a simple, powerful way to grow your savings without even thinking about it. Most of us have a savings account, but let's be honest, the interest rates are underwhelming. It's like your money is just sitting there, taking a nap. But what if it could be out there, hustling for you, earning you more money just for existing? That's where Tide comes in, and specifically, their interest-bearing features. If you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking for a smarter way to manage your money, you're in the right place. Tide isn't just about business banking, it's about making your financial life easier and more rewarding. Let's dive into the two main ways you can use Tide to put your savings to work. First, we have the savings pots. Think of these as digital piggy banks with a superpower. You can create a pot for anything, for your next big equipment purchase, your tax bill, or even just a rainy day fund. The best part? The money in these pots can earn interest. You just set it up, move your money in, and watch it grow. It's a fantastic way to separate your business expenses from your savings goals and get a return on that dedicated cash. The second feature is what really takes things up a notch, the Tide interest-bearing account. This is a business savings account that's designed to give you a competitive interest rate on your entire balance. Unlike the savings pots, which are great for specific goals, this account is for your general savings, the money you want to keep liquid but still want to see grow. This means your operational cash, the funds you need for daily business, are still working for you in the background. It's a simple, seamless way to maximize your business's financial potential without needing to constantly move money around. So, how do you get started? It's incredibly straightforward. If you already have a Tide account, you can activate these features directly from the app. You can create a savings pot in seconds and move funds into your interest-bearing account with just a few taps. It's all designed to be intuitive and hassle-free, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. The bottom line is this: your money should be doing more than just sitting there. With Tide savings and interest-bearing features, you can turn your idle cash into an active asset. It's a simple shift that can make a real difference to your bottom line over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.